What's up everyone? How you doing? So in this video, would like to talk about one of the famous social media named Facebook. So is there any of you that's still active on Facebook? You need to know guys that Facebook has a lot of improvement and a lot of features so far. So, if you're like me that has ever experienced the movement from the Facebook to the Instagram, maybe you notice on Instagram that there's the feature named the notes here. So, basically, by the notes, you can express yourself through the notes and you can type everything you feel, everything you want, or you can also share your feeling through the songs. It can be the trending songs or the trending music, and also the emoji that represent what you express for the day. Then what about on the Facebook? Surprisingly, on the Facebook you can also express the same into your profile. So the first one, you can open the profile Facebook here. Since the Facebook also give the improvement and there are the modification of the location profile, here you can open the profile here. Just click on the right side under the message menu. It will be shown your profile. Or when you are opening the Facebook from the home page, you can also click the three stripes here on the top left corner, and then you can choose the name profile. It can also open your original profile. So there you go. You will see the notes here, and you can express yourself too, just like on Instagram, about the feeling that you experience right now, and also the songs and the emoji that also represent what you're feeling of the day. So let's say if you get bored, or you want to change the notes or the songs that you post on the note. Don't worry guys, in this video I will show you how, because it is pretty simple. If I want to delete the note, I just need to click the note that I have posted before, and then if I want to delete it, it will be show the menu here, and then you can just click delete note. And after that, there will be the last confirmation if you really want to delete it. And then also there's the information that the note won't be visible on your profile, messenger, nor by the other people can see your notes. If you agree with it, you can just delete it. And, and there you go. Your notes is not seen anymore on your profile, and it cannot be seen by the another people. Then you can go back to your Facebook profile and create to or express yourself through the note wherever whenever you want. That's it guys. You can explore more to know this feature. In case you have any question or the request, please feel free to put your comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like button to get the new update. I hope you have a good day and see you on the next video. Thank you.